Good morning grade 4 and a warm welcome to the maths class. Well children, today we move to the chapter Symmetry, which we had done before our vacation. Okay, so just a quick recap. Now what do we mean by symmetry? Look here children. If we fold this figure along the dotted line, one part of the figure will exactly overlap the other part. What do we mean by this? Now I have a figure over here, correct? Now if I fold this, can you see it's exactly overlapping? Can you see this? Okay. So such shapes are called symmetrical shapes. The dotted line, can you see this dotted line? This is called the line of symmetry. So that's about symmetrical shapes. Children, earlier I had, before the vacation, I had posted, you remember that butterfly, the lines of symmetry. I will be posting it again. So please stick that in your book. Okay, those pictures, so that you know about the line of symmetry. Now, let's see something more about the line of symmetry. First, let's see this side, children. Let's see a rectangle, okay? Now, some shape have two lines of symmetry and some have even more. Now, look at the rectangle, children. There are two lines of symmetry. Now, what about a square? The square has four lines. Can you see one here, and one this and this. So it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the square has four lines of symmetry. Now a circle. The circle has many lines of symmetry. Can you see this? Zigzag. Okay. So a circle has many lines of symmetry. Now children, for this also I had some colored pictures which you can take a printout and you can stick it in your book. So you will remember them well. So that was the line of symmetry. Now for this you are going to do, you will be doing page 85. That will be your homework, right? Page 85 is going to be your homework. Okay, now let's move to another chapter. So we are done with lines of symmetry. That's page 85. Now let's see something about congruent triangles. We move to the next chapter, children, that is congruent triangles. Now congruent triangles, what do we mean by congruent triangles? Congruent triangles are triangles that are exactly the same shape and the size. It will be the same shape and the size. Okay. Triangles are congruent if the corresponding sides are the same and the three corresponding angles are the same. So that means, can you see this? These are the sides. Children, these are the sides. So these sides are, okay, they will be of the same length. And the angles, can you see these angles inside this? Okay, these are your angles inside this. Now these are also the same. The angle measure will be the same and the length also will be the same. That's the meaning of congruent triangles. So similarly, children, we have here A, B, C and D. Okay, let me just bring a pen. Yes, here I have a pen. So can I say A and B triangles are congruent? See the shape and the size? Okay. Now children, for C and D, what did we say? That the sides are the same and the angles are also the same. So this side, this side, this side, this side, this side and this side, they are the same. And now you have the triangles inside. the angles inside, sorry, you have the angles inside these triangles. So they are also the same. So we can say C and D triangles are congruent. Okay. So children, for homework, you will be doing this page. That's page 86, exercise 70, where the objective is understanding congruency. So that's one page, and then you have this page also. That is for symmetry. Okay.